This game could open up, it could get a little bit ping-pong as it proceeds. I think a goal could really change things here, so let's hope for one of those. Both sides will be hungry for the same. A turn from Sibelius, showing Sibelius, number 15, one of our players to watch. Certainly one in danger, over 6 goals last season in 2022. 20 caps, is still relatively young and new on the scene. On corner.
Well, I guess it's the obvious flexing his knees on the bench there. So a little split probably worked. It's a nice second place. It's good press.
Now, whistle's gone here. What's the umpire seeing? He's sending someone off, and that's too physical. Didn't like it. That's an off-the-ball challenge. A green card shown, which is a 2-minute suspension.